Hi everyone, my name is Rin. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be quite interesting. I want to introduce all of you to a hair care range which is simply upped my hair game. I'm talking about the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture range, which comes with amazing products that will really help your hair to grow beautifully. If you are interested in knowing how this hair care range will simply change your hair game forever, please keep on watching. So my hair had been dull, dehydrated, lifeless for so long, and I was really searching for some hair care product online which would deal with all of this, and that is how I came across hyaluronic acid, the ingredient, and I was really intrigued because I had heard of this ingredient but I have never used this ingredient for my hair. And I decided to do a research of my own, and that is how I understood the importance of why hyaluronic acid is a super ingredient. So hyaluronic acid actually has the capacity and the ability to attract water. So if I explain in simpler terms, hyaluronic acid knows how to attract moisture from its surroundings, and hence it has the ability to retain moisture in your skin or your hair. So using this ingredient for our hair or the skin is definitely going to make it hydrated and plumped. Now of course, due to internal factors or external factors, our hair tends to lose moisture over time, and therefore hyaluronic acid is such an important ingredient because it will of course attract the water and retain the moisture in our hair. If you have frizzy, brittle, rough or sticky hair strands, you need to understand that these are all results of dehydrated hair, right? And now what will be the solution of dehydrated hair? Hydration, of course, and that is where hyaluronic acid comes into the picture. On just using water, our hair can't really keep or retain the moisture, but with the help of hyaluronic acid, this ingredient makes sure that all the goodness are locked and sealed and our hair strands are able to retain moisture. This is also where the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture hair care range comes into the game. Now this is so innovative and of course first of its kind. This range has 3 products. Number 1 is the moisture filling shampoo. Then they have the moisture sealing conditioner, and finally the hydra filling night cream. Now I was super excited to introduce this range to all of you because I have been trying it recently and I love the results. Also, I am so happy and pleasantly glad to see that hyaluronic acid works wonders not only on skin but also on hair. Now let's move on to application. So first you're supposed to start with the moisture filling shampoo. It will replump your hair. It will make sure that the hydration lasts long. It is also very lightweight and bouncy. Next, I will move on to the moisture sealing conditioner. This one helps to detangle your hair and lock in moisture, making your hair soft and shiny and makes sure that you do not have any breakage. The third item in this range is the hydra filling cream, which gives 4 times more hydration and softness. This is a leave-in overnight hair cream which does not need any rinsing off until your next wash. The Hydra Night Filling Cream can be used every night before sleeping because it is a leave-in cream and you do not need to wash it off until the next morning. It is also the best to use the entire range together so that your hair is able to retain maximum moisture. The best part of this range is that when you start using all the 3 products together, your hair can retain moisture up to 72 hours, that is 3 days, and hence you do not really need to worry about hydrating your hair every day, and hence you can phase out your hair wash days. So you can see that previously my hair used to be so rough and brittle I could hardly run my fingers, whereas now once I started using this range, it looks so hydrated, it looks well nourished, moisturized and healthy. I'm also so glad to see that L'Oreal Paris has made such a cool innovation for hair care. Now they are also always scientific in all their launches. I would recommend this entire range to all those people who are dealing with dehydration problems and who are trying to achieve hydrated, shinier, bouncier hair. This range also keeps your hair feeling very bouncy and lightweight because hyaluronic acid in itself is a very lightweight ingredient. So grab your L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Moisture range if you want to see some magic happening to your hair. I will leave all the purchase links down in my description box, so check them out. You can also subscribe to my channel if you like watching me and my content. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell notification so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is @mysticallimran. I'll be seeing you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.